Tired of overpriced juice bars and watered-down blends? Well, this is the year to take your health and your juice game into your own hands. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 juicers. From powerhouse cold press machines to compact speed demons perfect for your morning rush. Whether you're a green juice junkie or a citrus-loving newbie, we've got the perfect pick for every kitchen and every budget. Stick around to find out which juicer is stealing the show this year, and which one might just change your mornings forever. And if you see one you love, I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Number 1 Omega Cold Press Vertical Juicer, 43 revolutions per minute slow masticating juice extractor for fruits and vegetables, compact design, quiet motor, 3-stage auger, auto pulp ejection, no drip tap, 150W, red dot low speed cold press technology 43 revolutions per minute minimizes heat buildup and oxidation to preserve maximum nutrients, enzymes, and flavor in every glass. Powerful 3-stage auger system extracts more juice with higher yield, less foam, and drier pulp for efficient performance. Quiet and energy efficient 150W motor enjoy peaceful juicing anytime without disturbing your household. Automatic pulp ejection enables continuous juicing with less clogging and easy cleanup. No drip juice tap and mixing function prevents mess and allows you to blend juices directly inside the chamber. Compact vertical design space saving footprint ideal for modern kitchens and countertops. Versatile juicing perfect for fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, wheatgrass, and even nut milk. Easy to clean quick rinse or dishwasher safe parts make maintenance simple and convenient. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice at home with the Omega Cold Press Vertical Juicer. Designed with advanced slow masticating technology, this powerful yet compact juicer operates at just 43 revolutions per minute to gently extract juice while preserving essential vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. The innovative 3-stage auger system maximizes juice yield and minimizes waste, producing smoother, richer juice with less foam. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, fruits, vegetables, or even making nut milk, this versatile machine delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Its quiet 150-watt motor ensures a peaceful kitchen experience. Number 2 Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer, self-feeding slow masticating juicer with wide mouth hopper for whole fruits and vegetables, hands-free operation, high juice yield, easy clean and assembly. Self-feeding hands-free operation. Load your ingredients, close the lid, and let the juicer do the work. No need for constant pushing or prep. Wide mouth hopper design fits whole fruits and full recipes at once, saving time on chopping and preparation. Slow cold press technology gently extracts juice to preserve nutrients, enzymes, and natural flavor. Zero waste maximum extraction. Advanced auger system produces more juice with ultra dry pulp and minimal foam. Powerful and quiet motor efficient performance with low noise for a smooth, hassle-free juicing experience. Easy cleanup and quick assembly. Simple parts design allows fast rinsing and effortless setup. Versatile performance ideal for fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, nut milk, and juice blends. Durable premium build designed for long-lasting use with high-quality materials. Upgrade your juicing routine with the Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer, designed for ultimate convenience and performance. Featuring an innovative self-feeding hopper, this juicer allows you to load entire recipes at once, no constant feeding or supervision required. Simply add your ingredients, start the machine, and enjoy hands-free juicing. The wide mouth hopper easily accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and making your daily routine faster and easier. Powered by advanced slow masticating technology, the Nama J2 gently extracts juice while preserving vital nutrients, enzymes, and fresh taste. Engineered for efficiency, the J2 delivers maximum juice yield with minimal waste, producing ultra-dry pulp and smooth, nutrient-rich juice. Its quiet motor ensures a peaceful kitchen environment, while the streamlined design makes both assembly and cleanup quick and effortless. Whether you're making green juices, fruit blends, or plant-based milk, the Nama J2 provides professional-level performance in a compact, user-friendly design perfect for anyone looking to enjoy healthier living with less effort. Number 3 Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer, hands-free self-feeding hopper, wide mouth for whole fruits and vegetables, quiet cold press masticating juicer, BPA-free, easy assembly, matte black, titanium, hands-free self-feeding hopper. Load whole fruits and vegetables and let the juicer automatically process your ingredients with minimal effort. Easy Clean technology, NO mesh filter, innovative chamber design eliminates traditional strainers, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. Slow cold press extraction preserves nutrients, enzymes, and natural flavor with minimal heat and oxidation. High juice yield, low waste efficient auger system produces smooth juice with dry pulp and less foam. Quiet and powerful motor enjoy a peaceful juicing experience without sacrificing performance. Wide mouth hopper fits larger ingredients and whole produce too. Reduce prep time. BPA-free and safe materials built with food-grade components for safe, healthy juicing. Modern premium design. Sleek matte black titanium finish enhances any kitchen countertop. Experience effortless juicing with the Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer, engineered for convenience, performance, and modern living. Featuring a hands-free self-feeding hopper, this juicer allows you to load whole fruits and vegetables at once, no constant feeding required. Simply add your ingredients and let the machine do the work. The H400's standout feature is its Easy Clean technology, which removes the need for traditional mesh strainers. This innovative design significantly reduces cleanup time, letting you rinse parts quickly and get back to your day faster. Using advanced slow cold press extraction, the Hurom H400 gently squeezes ingredients to preserve essential nutrients, enzymes, and natural taste. The result is smooth, high-quality juice with less pulp, less foam, and more nutrition in every glass. Its quiet yet powerful motor ensures a calm kitchen environment, while the wide hopper minimizes prep time by accommodating larger or whole ingredients. Built with BPA-free materials, this juicer supports a healthier lifestyle with safe, reliable performance. With its sleek matte black titanium finish and user-friendly design, the Hurom H400 is the perfect addition to any modern kitchen, ideal for anyone who wants fresh, nutrient-rich juice with less effort and faster cleanup. Number 4. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus Juicer, BJ530BSS, Centrifugal Juice Extractor with Cold Spin Technology, 3.5-inch wide feed chute, 70 fluid ounces juice jug, high-speed motor, brushed stainless steel. Cold Spin Technology reduces heat transfer during juicing to help preserve nutrients and fresh flavor. Extra large 3.5 feed chute juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, saving prep time. Powerful high-speed motor fast centrifugal extraction delivers fresh juice in seconds. 0.70 FLOZ. Large capacity jug perfect for families or batch juicing with sealed storage lid. Dual speed control, low speed for soft fruits, high speed for harder produce like carrots and apples. Built-in froth separator ensures smoother juice with less foam in every pour. Easy Clean design, dishwasher safe parts for quick and convenient cleanup. Modern stainless steel finish, durable and stylish addition to any kitchen. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice in seconds with the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Designed with powerful centrifugal technology, this high-performance juicer combines speed and convenience, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Featuring Breville's innovative cold spin technology, the juicer minimizes heat buildup during extraction, helping preserve vitamins and natural flavor while delivering fast results. The extra-wide 3.5-inch feed chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without time-consuming prep. The high-speed motor extracts juice quickly and efficiently, while the dual-speed settings give you control over different types of produce. Whether you're juicing soft berries or hard carrots, this machine adapts to your needs. With a large 70 fluid ounces juice jug, you can prepare enough juice for the whole family in one go. The integrated froth separator ensures smoother, cleaner pours every time. Built with convenience in mind, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus features easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe components and a sleek brushed stainless steel design that looks great on any countertop. Perfect for those who want fast, fresh juice without the wait. This juicer delivers powerful performance with minimal effort. Number 5. NutriBullet Juicer Pro NBJ50200, 1000-watt centrifugal juicer machine, 3-speed control, 3-inch feed chute, 27-ounce juice pitcher, easy clean, silver. Powerful 1000-watt motor, high-performance extraction for fast, efficient juicing of fruits and vegetables. 0.3 speed precision control, low, medium, and high speeds for soft fruits, leafy greens, and hard produce. Wide 3 feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies to reduce prep time. 0.27 OZ juice pitcher with sealing lid, store fresh juice conveniently for later use. High-capacity pulp basin allows continuous juicing without frequent emptying. Stainless steel sieve maximizes juice extraction while minimizing pulp and foam. Easy cleanup design, dishwasher safe parts for quick and hassle-free cleaning. Multifunction use, ideal for juicing, food prep, and creating healthy recipes. Fuel your day with fresh, homemade juice using the NutriBullet Juicer Pro NBJ50200. Powered by a robust 1000-watt motor, this centrifugal juicer delivers fast and efficient performance, extracting juice from fruits and vegetables in seconds. The 3-speed control system